Here's the contract. It just has to be filled out with a name signed and witnessed, but it's yours. You won.
Well, that's a lot of work for a little bitty piece of paper.
Come on, boys, the beer's on me.
That's a fine piece of driving. Yeah, you're the first man ever beat me in a contract race.
I guess this kind of put you out of business.
Probably. I'll try, but you can't show a profit without that contract.
Well, I might talk a trade.
What, partnership? What? You name it.
New wagon, new harness, and a load of freight to haul up north.
Is that all?
Well, no, that ain't all. I didn't beat you by myself. Ben Cartwright and me, we's old vets. I guess he had a stake in this race, too. I'll tell you what, you write a contract to haul freight for the Ponderosa for a fair price. You guarantee the same for all comers, and she's yours.
You got a deal. I'll have it in writing in 20 minutes. You can pick out your wagon and harness whenever you like.
All right.
In case you're wondering, Willard's the one that dropped the tree in the road.
You sure?
I'm sure. We got 2 witnesses.
You could have wrecked both wagons and killed us all. I'll sign a complaint.
Get out off of there.
Sheriff, hold up. You ain't by any chance the same fellow who cut my lead line, right?
Well, it looks like your rent's paid for a long while.